My name is Peter Brudinger, and I'm here with...
I'm Valentina Ross from Nightingale, and I'm based in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I represent a company, Nightingale, that is based in Rome, Italy.
You guys are from Rome, the
we are from
family.
Rome, yes. Mm-hmm.
No, I understand that the company is founded by your father?
My father is the CEO of the company. The company works primarily in a different field, but it has a branch that manufactures sound reproduction equipment.
Well, why don't you give us a walkthrough of what you have here at the show?
Yes, okay. What we are playing today is a mono amplifier. It's called Onda 90. It's a 9-watt Class A amplifier. The preamplifier in the middle, PTS-03, is a battery-operated amplifier. So it works through a battery. When the battery gets discharged, then the electricity immediately kicks in. We are also filtering the sound through a line conditioner.
Is that your own design?
Everything is designed in Italy and made in Italy. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And we are playing the 2 open baffle loudspeakers, also manufactured by the company.
What does the company make? What's its primary product line? Are you in furniture?
They work in telecommunication.
Telecom?
Yeah.
So then you have a lot of engineering horsepower on your staff.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
The speakers are very unique and striking looking.
Yes. If you want, I can show you the interior.
Yep. And that, viewers, is open baffle.
Yes, it's open baffle, so it needs to be positioned a couple of meters away from a wall, and the sound actually makes an echo with the reverberation from the wall. So it provides this warm atmosphere, warm sound. Yeah.
Well, why don't you show us some of the products you have on display over here as well?
Yes, this amplifier is called Gala. It's a stereo amplifier that comes in 2 units. This one is the amplifying unit, and this is the power supply for the amplifier. This is our top-of-the-line equipment. Yeah.
Now that puts out how much power per channel?
Quanto power per channel il Gala, papà?
Sorry?
Power per channel del Gala?
La potenza?
Sì.
18.
18 watts per channel?
It's a push-pull of triads. This is 2 units.
Yeah, with the power supply. Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. No, it's fine.
This is a push-pull of triads, 300B. And the supply unit is completely in tubes.
So tube rectification. Yeah. And moving down?
Moving down, we have a mono amplifier. This is the Onda 50. It's the same line of the one that we were playing today. This is just 50 watts. That's 90 watts per channel. And these are our 2 integrated amplifiers. These are actually the first model, the first look that the company designed. This retro model with all handmade work on the wood and military-style knobs, very solid, very strong.
I see that.
So these are our 2 integrated. This is called Harmonia, is our smallest integrated amplifier, and this is the ADM32. It has all of the inputs on the front, so that they are away from the transformers.
Look at that. Yeah, I like that.
And you pass them from.
You can pass underneath and around, or you can just go right in the front if you have big, thick, heavy cables.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the first I've seen that. Very unique.
Yeah. And this is a mono power amplifier with its preamplifier, PTS-02 and AFS-30.
Sorry, dual mono. It's not mono. It's dual mono.
Dual mono, yeah.
Dual mono, yeah. Okay, okay. Well, great. Well, thank you very much for the walkthrough. And that's
20 watt and 30 watt.
20 watts?
And 30 watts.
And 30 watts here? Good.
This has a very good sound because the tubes are EL84.
Yes, it is my favorite tube. My favorite tube.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah, I think that this is sonically, it's a sweet spot tube in the business. Well, great, thank you. Let's do some listening next, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
What would you like to listen to?
Let's spin up some musica nuda. Okay?
Musica nuda?
Yes.
Okay.
Waits at the window, wearing the face that she keeps in a jar by the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Father Mackenzie, writing the words of a sermon that no one will hear. No one comes near, look at him working, darning the socks in the night when there's nobody there. What does he care? All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Eleanor Rigby died in the church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came. Father Mackenzie wiping the dirt from his hands as he walks from the grave. No one was saved. Oh, the lonely people, where do they all come from? Oh, the lonely